House flipping is boring. Here are 6 other ways to build your wealth with real estate. Part 1. Number 1. The classic live-in and rent-out situation. This is where you purchase a duplex or other multifamily property and live in one portion of the property while you rent out the rest. You can use the rental income to pay a portion, or all, of the mortgage on the property. Number 2. You can buy into a REIT, or a real estate investment trust. An REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating real estate. You can then invest in these companies the same way you'd invest in stocks. And since the law requires them to pay 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, REITs are an excellent source of passive income. Number 3. Invest in a private equity fund. If you've got a bit more to invest, you could contribute directly to a private equity fund, which, unlike REITs that are publicly traded, private equity funds use private capital to purchase privately held real estate assets. Private funds usually require a larger upfront investment, but can provide you with higher returns, depending on the fund you buy into. Follow me for part 2.